Me our viewer the see the work we do here. Here now the step case, Abi?
Yes, the step to the security house.
To the security house. Okay, we'll go inside. My owner, good morning or good afternoon, owner, good evening. Today now 26th of July 2024. For today, a day for Agbo, Delta State. So I can monitor laying of ties where one of our viewers from the talk show give Oga Tyler make it lay for years now come monitor for today. In front of me, now the Tyler we do the work now be this. Oga, good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Make a talk to you. So my name is Sabonya. What about your name?
My name is Hikeya Osawalu.
So what are they now the work we one of our viewers giving a monitor? That is the ties work. You will take me around the work whether I don't finish her or you see day on it.
Okay.
Before you take me around the work, okay, tell her wait to go later our viewer when they patronize you through this our channel, particularly they want to give you this job.
Okay, may I for greet the rat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All viewers of Edo Talk Show, depending on where you watch her from. Me where they talk so, I mentioned my name before. My name na Hikeya Osawalu. And this person where give us this work, now through this platform, I take give us the work. I say, may God bless him because only the trust, the Lord say, never see you. He can't build that trust. And I will constantly deliver. May God bless him for us.
So, before giving our client work, you got to call our number. Our number there on top of this video. So, our via this organ will do this work all the way from Lagos. They come Agbo, Delta State, come do the work because it's a professional. Now, me they carry out through Lagos, come Agbo for Delta State. So, okay, me our via the CD work we do here. Here now the step case, Abi?
Yes, the step to the security house.
To the security house. Okay, we'll go inside. Wow. You know the kitchen?
Yeah, the kitchen.
Okay. The toilet.
The toilet.
Okay. So we go the main entrance for the main house.
Okay, all right.
Okay, now the remaining one, let me this.
Yes.
Okay.
But not be say e just remain like that. You can't change them. Say no need them for outside again. I take buy black. Say you go return this one.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
Okay, here now the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen.
Wow. Kitchen store.
Yeah.
The staircase.
Yes, to the master room straight.
Okay. So anyone see the ground we see show of yours?
No, no one dey ground
Okay,
again.
we'll climb it.
Not to climb up now.
Okay. My people, so Gatala don't show me way forward and he don't through with the work. So Oga Tyler, like total square meter of tiles when you enter this house.
Okay, the total square meter when you enter this house now is 575.
Come again.
575.
575. 1 square meter, how much, Oga?
Okay, 950.
Okay, 950.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this like how many bag of cement you take run the work?
Okay, 95 bag of cement. Now I used to run the whole work.
Both the security hours
everywhere, 95.
Okay, 95.
Yes, sir.
If you tell us how many trips the owner give?
Okay, that 10 tire, 6 tire. He give us 4 trip.
Okay, 4 trips. That is sister is 2 in 1, 2 in 1, 4.
Yes.
Okay, like how many months take you to finish this work?
Well, small delay can day, but total weeks where we can use now it can be 3 weeks and 3 days.
3 weeks and
3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
So it's a square meter 950.
Yes, sir.
So if you tell us the total price we take to do this work here.
If you want to know the total price, the pay you go multiply by 950. Then
That's what I had to say. You say 950.
Yeah.
If the worker is okay, the fee
multiply. Yes. Okay. But for the staircase, now charges. How step B? That's why I take the charge.
Okay. Come again. Explain that.
Okay. The staircase, now charges. At the step B, now so we take the charge.
Okay. How much to do this one?
Okay, like this very front one and 70,000.
70,000. What about the back one when you follow?
The back one, that one at 40,000.
That one at 40.
Yes.
Front one 70. The back.
Yes.
40. So you call your number when our view have to ratio.
Okay. My number now 070 33 16 11 33.
On that number, they will have to ratio.
No, that one so na hotline 24 hours available.
Hotline 24 hours available. So my people all the way from Lagos, like all do work for Agbo, Delta State, and you don't through with the work. My people are grateful for the time when I watch this video.